Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is Hoop Money here with another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be talking about, do I even have to say anything? Guys, AMC and GME have gone absolutely parabolic, and now the meme stock trade is back on the table. Holy crap, this was an insane day here in the stock market. I am beyond ecstatic to be sharing this with you guys today, and we have a lot to go over today because AMC, GME, Clover Health, Workhorse, Robinhood, all of these stocks just went to the absolute moon. So there's so much to go over, but we're going to be focusing on AMC and GME today. And if you guys enjoyed these updates, I highly appreciate that early like on the video, as it'll help me out with that YouTube algorithm. And if I've helped you make any money in any single way, you owe it to me. So smash that like button right now, and let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so here we have AMC stock sitting at $45.25. It was up 20% on today, 2% in the after hours. It's making a run here in the after hours for new highs, and this is absolutely insane. GameStop up 27.7%. As of today, 1% in the after hours. Clover, 9.73%. On today's date, Workhorse up 5.6 or 5.9% on today. Wish up 6.58%. Support.com, another stock that I was covering, it was up 30% at one point. It actually has sold off quite a bit since it reached that squeeze. Then even Robinhood was up 9% as of today, and I really think it's an absolute shame that Robinhood gets to be classified as a meme stock. As guys, AMC and GME, they restricted trading when those stocks were short squeezing. It made absolutely zero sense. There's absolutely no reason for Robinhood to get any meme credibility, but some people want to ride it out as a meme stock anyways, so I don't know. I guess people want to do that with Robinhood, but let's just jump right into the Ortex data for AMC and GME. As you guys can see, AMC 17.76% short interest of the free float. 90.84 million shares outstanding are currently being shorted. The one issue that I do see with AMC stock is that it's extremely cheap to short this stock at 1.68% cost to borrow, so short sellers can stick it in this stock for a long time, and we've definitely been seeing that because the short interest has not really dipped down below this. A lot of the early shorts, they're still short on this stock. A lot of the early hedge funds, they're still short on this stock, and they're just not getting margin called, and that is the problem. But you know, each and every day, the longer that the apes can hold this out, the harder it's going to be for these hedge funds to continue this trade. And there's been many different hedge fund managers, people that side with the hedge funds, speaking on platforms such as CNBC, saying that the AMC trade is over, and I don't think it is anywhere close from being over. We still have the S&P 500 reaching all-time highs almost every single day in the stock market. You hear the new headline, S&P 500 hitting a new all-time high. There's clearly something going on with the money printing. Jerome Powell, he's actually probably going to get reappointed. There's a bunch of different catalysts that continue this market cycle of insane euphoria going in the stock market. So I'm not going to count out the AMC trade. I think that is pretty naive. Giving a brief look at this AMC chart, you can see here that the utilization is around 90 right now, and then the average age on loan is about 50, so that has actually been going up. We reached a low here after that original squeeze to 34 days on loan, and we've mentioned this on our channel before. Typically, if we look at utilization and average days on loan, right before a squeeze, it typically goes down. So you can see that here in May 24th, 2021, utilization was up to 99.44%. of the available shares to be shorted were being shorted, and then it just drops down off a cliff, and then concurrently the stock price goes up. The same thing happens with the average age on loan. You guys can see that it went from 55 days on loan to about 34.82 days on loan after that short squeeze. So we've been seeing utilization and average age on loan go up again, and that could possibly be an indicator of a breakout. But we did see a little bit of a technical breakout. If you guys go back to this chart right here, this is the AMC chart. There was this diagonal resistance line trending downwards. Today we broke out of that and we saw an absolutely insane pop. GME also saw an insane pop. Robinhood, not deserved, but they saw a pop as well. And I think it's just absolutely insane here. We now have the estimated short interest of free float here on the chart. It's gone up and down, but you guys can see the lowest point that it got in the past few months was about 11%. So these shorts, they still are not covering. There's still a bunch of shorts that still have not covered. They're waiting, and it likely they got in a lot lower because it reached its lowest point when AMC was well over $30 per share, and a lot of these shorts got in way before $30 per share. So there's a lot of hedge funds and shorts that just simply are not covering, and it's absolutely insane. Now GameStop currently sitting at 11% short interest, a 1% cost to borrow. So again guys, GameStop very, very cheap to be shorting this stock right now. Then again, utilization 38%. So GameStop is one of those stocks that is available to be shorted, but people just aren't shorting it because, well, GameStop does what GameStop does best, and that's squeezing out the shorts. The same thing right here. As this was going up from April to March all the way to May, it did push out some shorts as GameStop's stock price did go back up into the $300 range. Again, all the way on the right, we're starting to see that average age on loan go up again, and that could also be a catalyst for some positive price action going forward. Although this average age on loan, as you can clearly see, is not as old as some of those figures that we saw before. So if this one does squeeze, it might not be as hard as we've seen before. Now we also got some updated short interest figures as of today for both AMC and GameStop, as well as the rest of the stock market. So I do believe that was honestly a big catalyst for some of these short squeezes. And then we're just taking a look here at the AMC call volume chain, or the order flow, and it's just absolutely insane. This was as of 2:45 p.m. today, and you guys can see the order flow was absolutely insane, guys. It just keeps on stacking. There was so much whale activity in terms of AMC call options today, and it's just evident. Are you guys looking at this? It's all bullish, not a single bear on this. All 4 pages of this, all within 3 minutes of each other. And if this order flow has any indication of what AMC stock's going to be doing over the next month or so, I'd say that's pretty freaking bullish. Then again, this was published at 3:08 p.m., so a little bit over an hour ago. With AMC and GME rallying, short seller losses are estimated to be close to 800 million to 100 billion on the week. So that's awesome. I love seeing short sellers lose money. $1 billion losses on the week is no joke. And also this Twitter account, unusual_whales, is an amazing Twitter account to follow. I recommend that everyone follow this account. They give you guys free information. You can also subscribe to their website right here. And then they also did this tweet today. So we had trade saying that there was a technical breakout, which is what I showed you guys here. It broke out of that resistance. Trey called that a technical breakout, but Unusual Whale said that this was actually predictable with the bullish option flow as of yesterday. They alerted people right here. There was a large, almost $1 million worth of call options expiring this week with the 39 strike price for AMC. And as you guys can see, this was as of yesterday when the stock was trading at around $37 per share. So that's a lot to be YOLOing or gambling on a weekly call option. You can also see right here on unusualwhales.com/alerts, there was a free AMC alert as of yesterday at 3:21 p.m. It was a YOLO. It was the same call option we're just looking at. And if you followed this one, you would have been up about 400%. It's pretty remarkable that these meme stocks continue to rally time and time again. We have countless hedge fund managers going on CNBC saying that they're shorting AMC, saying that it's over, saying that retail traders lost their momentum, even though there's huge bullish call options. It's absolutely manipulated. There's so much misinformation and FUD regarding this. People are saying literal misinformation, saying that people are selling, saying that retail is selling when they're literally not doing it. And And then on top of that, there's dark pool trading, there's high frequency trading, there's algorithmic trading, all manipulating this share price. And all the apes have to do is hold this stock, buy the stock, and just like the stock. It's not financial advice, but I do love reporting on these meme stocks. And as you guys saw, today was an absolutely wild day for us meme stockholders. So that's about it for the video. If you guys wanted up to $70 in free stock just for signing up and depositing as little as $1, you can use the link below in the description to sign up for Public. It's a stock investing brokerage on your phone, iOS or Android. It's very easy to use, very simple, just like Robinhood, but they don't sell your trading data. They don't do any payment for order flow, so they're not going to be selling your meme stock purchase information to Citadel, and at the same time they're going to be routing your orders to the best market makers, so you get the best execution, and you're literally wasting your money if you're using Webull or Robinhood. So definitely check out Public if you haven't already and get that free stock. Anyways guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed, and that's about it. Peace.